How a lazy 76-year-old agent in a wheelchair tripled his production in 90 days selling insurance online. At 76 years old, most people thought his insurance career was slowing down. He was in a wheelchair, couldn't drive all over Los Angeles freeways anymore, and traditional face-to-face appointments had become exhausting. But instead of retiring, he reinvented the way he sold insurance. In just 90 days, he tripled his production by selling 100% online. Here's how he did it. The old way was wearing him out. For years, he was doing what most agents still do, driving hours to appointments, sitting in homes late at night, chasing leads that never answered, waiting weeks for underwriting, dealing with blood tests and physical exams. Seating in Los Angeles traffic couldn't go upstairs in most apartment complex. The process was slow, stressful, and physically draining. He knew something had to change. Then he discovered online sales. Instead of meeting clients face-to-face, he started using simple online applications with 10-minute applications with no physical, no blood test on 1 to 3 million term plans. Plus, easy issue final expense, life online. The difference was immediate. He began offering policies with no physical exam, no blood test, easy underwriting 10-minute applications, policies issued online. Clients loved the simplicity. Many people who hated the idea of medical exams or nurses coming to their homes were finally willing to move forward. Why? His production exploded. He could get to more people every day. Instead of driving 3 hours for one appointment, driving all over Los Angeles, he just sent postcards and had his grandson set up social media with $5 to $10 for ads on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. More exposure online equals more applications. Clients could buy faster. The application process became simple and convenient. No paperwork, no waiting weeks, no complicated schedule. Many clients were approved quickly and electronically. 90% of the clients didn't want to speak with a high-pressure agent. He worked from home or vacationing in the mountains. Being in a wheelchair no longer limited his business. He could market his insurance from anywhere with a laptop, a phone for texting, internet connection. That changed everything. He started getting referrals from clients. Clients loved how easy the process was. They referred friends and family because the process was fast. No medical exams were required. Everything could be handled online. The big lesson: the insurance industry has changed. Agents no longer have to run endless in-home appointments, spend hours driving, depend on paper applications, lose sales over blood tests and physicals. Today, agents can build a business online and help more families in less time. The best part, at 76 years old in a wheelchair, he proved something important. You do not have to be young, tech-savvy, or work 12-hour days to grow your insurance business. You simply need the right online system. With online sales, simplified issue products, and electronic applications, agents can work smarter, help more people, create more freedom, increase production dramatically. Call to action. Want to learn how agents are selling insurance online with no physicals, no blood tests, 10-minute applications, policies issued electronically, YouTube video script? How a 76-year-old agent in a wheelchair tripled his production in 90 days selling insurance online. Online applications, simple postcards, easy issue insurance, and a referral system that doesn't even require an insurance license. Stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly how he did it. The secret lists. He also used niche mailing lists, widow lists for final expense leads. Over 65% of all final expense insurance is sold to widows today. Plus, widows control billions of dollars that can be used for annuities. Plus, we have wealthy investor lists for large-term insurance cases. These lists included names, addresses, emails, phone numbers. This allowed this 76-year-old man to market directly to the exact people most likely to buy. And because everything was online, everyone signed up online without his help. No driving, no exhausting appointments, just simple doing ads, postcards, and social media that his grandson did. He also uses Fiverr.com, with some people in foreign countries to help him with social media, starting at $500. Very cheap. The referral system that changed everything. Now here's the part most agents can't believe. He also started using the company's $1,500 referral system to offer this online system to the other insurance agents. And the best part? No insurance license is needed for the referral fee, and the Home Office does it all, and you get paid. He simply refers agents to the online system by giving them the link to find out more. That's it. If they enroll in the company system and write insurance business, he get a check. Just like people do on referrals on real estate. No recruiting meetings, no training agents, no handling policy issues. The Home Office does everything. When an agent he refers makes their first sale, he gets $375,000 up front. Then he gets $125 per sale for the next 10 sales, all for just introducing them to the online system. That can add up fast. You can sign up all the agents you want, and all he's doing is referring agents using postcards and social media. In fact, his daughter does all the marketing for this program. How he finds agents. He also bought niche insurance agent lists. Then he mailed simple postcards, template we give him to agents showing them how to sell online, what's included in the $27 marketing starter system. We created a $27 starter course system that gives you everything you need to get started. Inside, you'll learn how to get signed up directly with the company, how agents can earn 90% to 110% commissions based on production and policy type, how to use our simple $500 a day, 3-step postcard system, social media strategies and instruction videos, lead generation secrets, online sales methods, how to generate final expense and large-term business. And if you want to scale faster, you can also purchase 1,000 niche widow leads, 1,000 wealthy investor leads, or insurance agent mailing lists. Each includes names, addresses, emails, phone numbers, all targeted for your area. If a 76-year-old agent in a wheelchair can triple his production selling insurance online, imagine what's possible for you. The industry has changed. You no longer need door knocking unless you like the negative feedback that's also illegal in some states, endless driving on windshield in traffic, physical exams that hold up underwriting for 30 days, or complicated underwriting that takes months. Today, you can build an online business from home using online applications, simple postcards, social media, referral income, and easy issue products. Click the link below to get started with our $27 marketing system today. We offer a 90-day, 100% money-back guarantee on this system. No questions asked. Check it out at www.success45.com. Again, that www.successfund.com. And if you got value from this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment online below. Success45.com.